Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to buy XRP ripples in USA. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. First of all, choose your reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Cryptocur- Cryptocurrency exchange. Research and select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports XRP and operates in the USA. Some popular exchanges that may offer XRP trading pairs include Coinbase, Kraken, Binance US, and Bitstamp. Sign up and complete the verification process. Create an account on the chosen cryptocurrency exchange, provide the required information, and complete any verification steps necessary to comply with Know Your Customer (KYC) and Anti-Money Laundering or AML regulations. This usually involves verifying your identity by submitting identification documents such as a passport or driver's license. Fund your account. Once your account is verified, deposit funds into your exchange account. The available funding methods may vary depending on the exchange and can include bank transfers, debit or credit card purchases, or other supported payment methods or options. Follow the instructions provided by the exchange to deposit funds. Find the XRP trading pair. To locate the XRP trading pair on the exchange platform, most exchanges list XRP with popular trading pairs such as XRP or USD or XRP or BTC. Place an order. Determine the type of order you want to place. For a market order, you will purchase XRP at the current market price. For a limit order, you can set the price at which you are willing to buy XRP and wait for the market to reach the price. Follow the instructions on the exchange platform to place your order. Secure your XRP. After your order is filled, the purchased XRP will appear in your exchange account. It is recommended to transfer your XRP to a personal wallet that you control for enhanced security. Some exchanges provide built-in wallets, or you can use a separate XRP wallet that supports the currency. So it is important to note that cryptocurrency prices and availability can fluctuate, and the specific steps may vary depending on the chosen exchange. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.